Hi, my name is Martin and I am the founder of Off-Grid Campers. Welcome in my shop. We are here in Alkmaar, the Netherlands, where me and my colleague Max are converting Sprinter vans into high quality off-grid campers. And I think I was about 20 years old when I got my first van. I love to travel, I love to build things, I love to convert things like customize things, my bike, my motorcycle, my car, my everything on wheels basically. But that customizing error in my head is a great tool when you're building vans. I later found out. So in today's video, I hope it's going to be one of many. I wanted to make a build series, so I've a new project over there to show you a bit more how it looks like when we are building vans. So step by step, well, not all the steps, but some of the steps. I thought it would be fun to show you a bit more about that. And in today's video, I just wanted to show you how the workshop looks like, what's in here. So let's go. So let's do a little shop tour. This is the logo, by the way. This is one of the vans that's almost done. When it's done, it's going to Belgium. And here we have our office with our most important colleague standing over there. And yes, we are also trying to stay fit. That's the gym. And this is the fan that needs to be converted. So it's always fun to see this. And then 400 hours later, you have this. Isn't that cool? So we have a couple of workbenches. Most of them are on wheels, so we can pretty quickly change the shop. So this is my bench. It's always a bit messy. Well, not today, I cleaned up a little bit. That's the bench of Max. He's a little more the organized one of us. And so besides building fans, I do a lot of electrical work. So that's why all the cables are there. Then we have a spot for all the wood we use. It's over here. So we have some of it in stock. And yeah, I don't know the name in English, but this is the we call it the formaatzaag. So you can basically put on entire slabs of wood, like the big ones, and it's a great tool. So yeah, this is basically the workshop. And then we have our small stuff organized here. I mean, we do need a lot of parts, like a lot of parts. Krimpkous, like heat shrink tape. And then when you look on top over there, there's also more storage. So we have most of the parts over there. And then some of them over there in the baskets. So this is the shop.